Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to contact Solflare wallet customer support team. For that, you just have to launch your Solflare wallet. Now, once you are on the home page, you need to tap on this wallet. You need to tap on this gear icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This will land you in your settings where you are going to see this support tab. So you need to tap on support and then it will redirect you on the support page where you need to tap on the start chat button in the bottom. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see various options with the help of which you will be able to contact with the Solflare customer support team. Like you can directly message them and you can even mail them. So let's say you want to message them, so you simply need to tap on the messages option. Then you will have to tap on contact support. Afterwards, you will be landed on this page where you just have to wait for some time until they assign you their support customer. Then you will be able to start chatting with the customer support. If you want to try any other method, then you will have to come back to this page and then you will have to tap on contact support. After that, you will be landed on the chat page again. Then you will be able to talk with the Solflare customer support team. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.